From a helmet that shows directions on which lane to take, to a robot capable of priming and painting walls, here are some of the most incredible inventions that are on another level. Shoei Opticson. Statistics indicate that motorcyclists in the UK are at a significantly higher risk of getting injured in accidents compared to motorists, with a 13-fold difference. However, there are various equipment available to address this issue. This intelligent helmet not only provides accurate data to its users, but also enhances safety during travel. Its primary feature is the Opticson system, which combines a projection unit and a display, making it safer than using a smartphone and more understandable than voice prompts. The system provides directions on which lane to take, where to turn, and the estimated travel time. The helmet is manufactured in Japan and costs around $1,000, including the battery kit, and will be available for purchase on December 17th. The initial release is limited and primarily comprises pre-orders. This helmet may have amazed you, but are you ready for more amazing ones? Hold on to your seats. Silent Wake Up. The importance of how you wake up is equivalent to how you sleep. The creators of this gadget developed on the screens, which is considered a silent alarm clock that can be affixed to your arm. The device begins vibrating 10 minutes before the set alarm time, gradually increasing in intensity until it reaches its maximum vibration level. The designers believe that this method allows ample time for your hormones to balance correctly and positively impacts concentration. Each vibration cycle consists of approximately 200 vibrations, and the intensity can be adjusted as desired. This alarm clock is particularly suitable for families because it only wakes the user. It is also beneficial for individuals with hearing impairments, and the manufacturers donate a portion of the profits to organizations that assist them. The alarm clock set, which includes 2 batteries and 30 reusable patches, is priced at $85. Surplex. Global sales of AR and VR devices totaled around 9 million units by the end of 2018, and there are many options available in the market for the average consumer. For instance, these sneakers allow you to comfortably walk in VR worlds. They are fully body-tracking shoes that can detect not only walking or running, but also upper body movements, thanks to the insoles and their 240 sensors. The square box on top houses a Wi-Fi module that transmits data, switches on, connects to your PC, and instantly immerses you in the VR space, which narrows the gap between the VR world and the real world according to the designers. The shoe's battery can last up to 6 or 9 hours depending on the shoe version, and they are priced at $169 or $199 respectively. Syro-Bricks. The creator of these light panels invite you to unleash your creativity with Syro-Bricks. The starter set comes with 16 pieces, which can be used to build anything from a replica of the Eiffel Tower to your own name. With a single controller, you can connect up to 300 panels and choose from 16 million colors, allowing you to customize their glowing patterns to your liking. Moreover, the lights are capable of syncing to music, making them perfect for cafes, clubs, karaoke bars, and other entertainment venues. Thanks to the FPC flexible connector system, included stands, and easy assembly, Syro-Bricks makes a great gift for people of all ages. The starter kit is priced at approximately $80. Da Vinci Surgical System. Leonardo da Vinci's legacy extends beyond his renowned inventions and masterful paintings to include significant contributions to medicine, such as his thousands of drawings and notes on human anatomy. A robot inspired by him called the Da Vinci Surgical System was created for use in the medical industry and has been in use in hundreds of clinics worldwide for a considerable time. In 2012 alone, this remarkable system was utilized in over 200,000 operations, enabling the surgeon to operate with 4 robotic arms at their disposal. 2 arms replicate the surgeon's movements, the third assists, and the fourth holds the camera. The robot can detect and block erroneous commands, alerting the surgeon to errors, making it an ideal tool for teaching and training doctors. Grabshell. In 1956, one of the earliest experiments involving direct keyboard input to computers occurred when an electrical typewriter was connected to a computer. Since then, keyboards have been subject to regular transformations in terms of size, shape, and functionality. Presently, a remarkable product from Japan has been introduced called Grabshell. Alongside standard buttons, it boasts a trackball and a joystick and can even be transformed. When folded, it resembles a large joystick. The device is capable of being connected to both Bluetooth and USB Type-C and is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. With a battery capacity of over 2,000 mAh, it can last for several months. Additionally, the keyboard is mechanical and comes equipped with entirely original keys. Currently, Grabshell is available in black and white, and it retails for $400 with sales beginning in February. Ready for the last 2? Don't blink or you'll miss these 2 crazy inventions you will surely crave. Taser Xrep. It's likely that many people have seen tasers in action in police movies, where darts equipped with thin wires are fired at attackers. While this may seem effective, there are various issues associated with tasers, such as slow reloading and limited range, with even police tasers reaching just 10 meters. However, there is now an alternative solution available in the form of stun bullets produced in the US. These bullets can be used in any 12-gauge shotgun and have an extended range of 35 meters. Weighing in at 25 grams, they contain not only lithium battery, but also miniature stabilizers. Although being hit by a stun bullet causes pain, it also immobilizes the attacker for around 5 minutes. The launch of this product has been accompanied by the release of a special Mossberg Taser X12 LLS shotgun. The pricing for the gun and the bullets is $800 and $100 per unit, respectively. Myro. In September 2022, the US saw an influx of nearly 1.5 million newly built residential buildings, which required an immense amount of work to be completed. In the event that human labor falls short, a robot resembling a vending machine has been developed to take on the task. Capable of priming and painting walls, this robot can cover an area of up to 929 square meters per day, which is reportedly 10 times more efficient than a human. It is able to paint from the floor to the ceiling at a height of 3.1 meters with an impressive accuracy of up to 2 centimeters. The robot is programmed to detect windows, doors, and other elements that do not require painting, and tasks can be set in as little as 15 to 20 minutes using a tablet. To prevent accidents and collisions with people, the robot has a 360-degree view and an advanced safety system. The manufacturers have ambitious plans to market the robot in the US, India, as well as select Gulf and Asian countries.